Welcome back to our next class of English. In the previous class we have discussed about nature who has done out of waste, that is the recycled items. Today I am going to read the lesson for you. Listen carefully, and when you get the books I want you to read carefully. See how I am pronouncing. So let's read. Find the city of Chandigarh on the map. How far is it from your town or city? In Chandigarh, there is a garden made out of rocks. It was built by Nek Chand. He made the garden with waste material that he recycled. When Nek Chand was a young child, he was fond of building beautiful things from objects that had been thrown away. As a little boy, he built forts and castles of waste material. Forts means, you know, the big buildings, like you might have seen the Golconda Fort. So he made the forts and castles. Castles means where the king and queen live. He made the idols, or he made the images like the forts and the castles. He also created figures of peoples and animals from clay. One day in the year 1957, Nek Chand found some unusual rocks from some broken down buildings. He collected these rocks and took them to a forest close to the Sukhana lake in Chandigarh. There he decided to clear a small patch. Patch means small area of land, to make a decorative garden. At that time, Nek Chand worked as a road inspector. See what was he doing? He was a road inspector. Every evening after work, Nek Chand got in onto his bicycle and cycled all over the city. He looked for the discarded material. Now see, discarded. Discarded. Discarded means the thrown away. Like the discarded means the thrown away materials, like the old bangles you throw away, the old cycle tires and the tube lights, bulbs, whatever has been thrown away, he used to collect it and he used to make his secret garden. Okay. He looked for discarded material that he could use in his garden. He collected old tires, damaged tube lights and bulbs, pieces of broken bangles and glass, parts of old cars, machinery and even rags. After that, he used to go to his secret garden and work till late night. It was hard work and mosquitoes bit him. Nek Chand created colorful and imaginative human and animal figures from all the waste material he collected. Imaginative means thinking. He used to think of some person and he used to create it. That is imaginative. Imaginative means thinking. He even spent all his holidays there. For 18 long years, Nek Chand worked on creating his secret garden. So it took for him 18 years to everyone to know what it is. One day in 1975, the municipal authorities discovered Nek Chand's garden. They were very surprised. They found thousands of figures of dancers, musicians, animals and birds that Nek Chand had made out of trash. Trash means, you know what is trash? Trash means again the thrown away things. Thrown away things. Things means objects, like as I told you, the bangles, the old tube lights, the tires, old tires, bangles and the glass all the things he collected. That is called the trash. The beautiful statues made from recycled material filled everyone with wonder and admiration. Today, the rock garden is spread over 30 acres of land. People who visit can see thousands of sculptures. Sculptures means the images, same, the idols arranged in the courtyards. The amazing garden of recycled material is considered one of the wonders of the modern world. Nechand received the prestigious Padma Shri Award from the President of India in 1983. As I said in the earlier class also, prestigious means respectable, respectable. And passed on 12th June 2015, Nechand passed away. Passed means what I told in the earlier class, passed means died. But his lovely rock garden is a constant reminder to us that to build something wonderful, we need a dream, a strong imagination and willingness to work hard. So he worked for 18 long years, then he got recognition. So you have to work hard. If you work hard only, you will be recognized. Recognized means all will remember you, like you see the actors, no? Actors and remember them by their name, like Samantha and everyone. So you have to work hard. So I have asked you to prepare things out of waste, no? Have you done it? Oh, if you haven't done it, I want you to do it and show me. You can take two days time. See, now I have done with the bottle. I have taken a Sprite bottle, I have cut it into half, I have painted and kept the flowers on it, and now it is used as a flower vase. See, we can keep it on the table or your computer desktop, anywhere. And see, you have used your cardboard, you have prepared in your second class, no, bullock cart. So with the old things like the matchbox or the soap box, you can prepare, and you can prepare like a pencil stand, pen stand, anything. So I want you to prepare out of the waste. Thank you. We'll meet again in the next class. Pause the 8 minutes.